Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for business plans. To begin, open Claude in your web browser and go to the New Chat page. Starting with a fresh chat helps keep your request focused and gives the AI a clean place to generate a full response. Once the page loads, you'll see the main chat box where you can type your instructions. From here, the most important part of the process is writing a strong prompt. In the chat box, compose a clear and detailed request asking Claude to create a business plan for you. The better your prompt, the more useful and organized the result will be. Instead of asking for a business plan in very general terms, try to include the type of business, the product or service, the target audience, the business model, and any specific goals you want the plan to address. For example, you might ask Claude to create a business plan for a small online store, a consulting business, a local service company, or a software startup. You can also tell it what tone or format you want, such as professional, investor-ready, concise, or detailed. If helpful, you can request sections like an executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, operations plan, and financial overview. Giving this kind of context helps Claude to generate a plan that feels more tailored to your business idea rather than something overly broad. Before you send the prompt, take a moment to read it over and make sure it includes the essentials. Clarity matters here. If your request is vague, the output may be vague too. If your request is specific, the response is much more likely to be practical and easier to use. This is especially helpful if you plan to refine the business plan later or use it as a starting point for presentations, funding discussions, or internal planning. Once your prompt is ready, press Enter to submit it. Claude will then begin generating your business plan based on the instructions you provided. After the response appears, you can review it and decide whether you want to adjust your prompt in a follow-up message to improve or expand certain sections. That way you can gradually shape the final plan into something more useful for your specific business needs. That's all it takes to get started using Claude for business plans. With a clear prompt and a focused goal, you can quickly create a strong first draft and build from there.